The year was 1988. A family of 7 children, 2 adults, living in the wilderness of northeast Washington State near the British Columbia border. No electricity, no telephone, no TV, very few neighbors, and a really small cabin we built by ourselves. Still there.
Gonna take your picture for Grandma. Say hello to Grandma and Grandpa. For Christmas.
One arch open like, hey, jingle bells, jingle all right. Oh, all the fun it is to ride on one arch open like, hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun it is to ride on one arch open like, hey, broccoli covered with snow, Dad.
I didn't know much about that.
Broccoli covered with snow, Dad.
Show me the garden. I knew where the garden was. This was my first real winter in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, there?
Yep, there it was.
Now what were you saying about the garden?
Oh, there.
What's covered with snow?
The broccoli covered with snow.
Let's go look.
The broccoli covered with snow. How right he was and how young he was.
What's broccoli's in the garden?
That was our garden. We walked back to tell Mom. Go look for Mom.
Open the door.
Mom, the broccoli's in the garden and it's covered with snow. What's not in here? What's not in here, Dad?
Let's find her. Come on. Shut the door.
Mom's in the house.
Okay, let's get her.
What?
Find her.
Come with me. Mom's in the house. She's in there.
Oh, there you are.
I'm in
Up in the pantry.
Mom, the broccoli's in the garden. The broccoli was in the garden covered with snow.
Driver's seat of a car. And with the chains on. Trying to film a video movie. I'm by myself. Let's see. Risks involved here. We're not really snowed in, even though sometimes it might look a little bit like it, okay? So I'm in drive, and here go the chains now. I have to turn around this vehicle. And, oh, by the way, the right front brake doesn't work real good. So we go in this, hold on here, deep snow bank, and we put it reverse. And we go, is he going to back up? With chains, this thing will go just about anywhere. And we're still in, now we've hit some kind of rut. We put it in second, doesn't like to go in second very well. Put it in first, and we're actually sliding a little bit, can you tell? Oh, we're going the wrong direction. Okay. And now we're going to go down our road. Let's see. We have to go get the kids from the bus stop. I don't know. This is our road. This is not the county road. This is our driveway. Now when I go up here, you won't be able to see much. When I come over to rise here, this little short rise, you'll be able to see down a little bit. Here's that front brake. I'm going to use my emergency brake instead. Okay, we make this turn. Hey, I'm establishing new footprints in the society of snow here. Now we go down this next rise. Now I'm going to have to. Now we're coming up like a creek, and I have to use the brakes a little bit. The creek's down there. See? Oh wait, I'm going to slow down here a little bit. You see that? You see these trees right here? Oh, that's where the creek is. See, and the creek, the road crosses the creek, and then the county road is right there. It like goes that way. They haven't plowed it yet. Grizz put in these little markers, so when the snow gets to be 500 feet deep, I'm gonna. And we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Yes. By golly, they made it on over the creek. Okay, I'm up to the county road. Now, let me go over here. Excuse me, up this mirror. I'm gonna roll the window down. The road goes down here. Sort of. Let's see, where is the road? Well, it just snowed. Actually, that is the road. That's the county road. Not a lot of cars today. Usually about 1 every 2 hours. So, I'm going to make the turn. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to have to turn it off, but basically it's like this. You hear that noise? Okay. I'm going to put on my... I'm in first gear. Okay. I'm in first gear. Last time I came down here with a video camera, my neighbors just about killed me because they came around the corner and, oh my God, what are you doing? Okay. We see, you've been with me. This is real time. Oh, I'll put on the brakes. Now see, the creek's down there. Down there somewhere. And our hill goes up to our property that way. And, well, there's the end of the road. Oh, here we are back again. Didn't take long.